Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix a Steam error code 16 on your Windows PC. If you are also facing a Steam error code 16 on your PC, process to fix a Steam error code 16 on your Windows PC. The first workaround is go to library and here right click on your problematic game having problem and here choose properties. A new page will open and here from the left side click on installed files. Thereafter go to right side and here click on verify this games files are installed correctly. Verify integrity of games files. Verifying integrity of files, all 248 files successfully validated message you will receive. And after that check whether your Steam error code 16 resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is again go to Steam from the top left corner and choose settings. Here a Steam settings page will open. Here from the left side click on downloads. Thereafter go to right side and here scroll down and you will find the option clear download cache. Click on clear caches. This will clear your local download caches and restart Steam. You will need to log into Steam again. Do you wish to continue? Choose confirm and here you must restart your Steam app and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the one more fixes to clear caches. Go to in-game from the same settings page. Click on in-game and here scroll down and you will find the option delete web browser data. Delete all Steam browser caches, file, cookies and history. Click on delete. Delete all Steam browser cached files, cookies and history. Click on confirm and check whether your Steam error code 16 resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is go to your Windows PC and right click on your Steam desktop shortcut and here choose properties. From the top menu bar choose compatibility and here make the check against option run this program in compatibility mode and also make the check against option run this program as an administrator. So run a Steam as administrator mode. Click on apply and OK to save the changes. After that check whether your Steam error code 16 resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again launch a Steam app and here from the left side from the top menu bar go to library, right click on your problematic game and choose properties. Choose manage. Go to hover the cursor on manage and you will find the option uninstall. Hover the cursor on manage and choose uninstall. Simply uninstall the problematic game and reinstall a fresh version of that game. If none of the earlier mentioned workaround fix your issue, then uninstall your problematic game and reinstall game again. But in between you may check your Steam server status, and to check a Steam server status go to steamstat.us. Open your browser and here type steamstat.us and it will show you globally a Steam server status and here check in your region a Steam server status. What is this? Scroll down and country wise server status you will find here. If any server related issue here, then you can easily wait for some times to again server became okay. So it may be a cause of server status globally absent. The next workaround to fix this issue is again go to CMD, go to Windows search, type CMD and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode and in command prompt Windows execute the command as shown on screen. ipconfig flush DNS, IP configuration register DNS, IP configuration release, IP configuration renew, and winsock reset. Apply all these 5 commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in your command prompt windows. It may be a possibility of any network related issue, and your STM error code 16 appeared. So you must clear your network related glitch if in your system any fault. Don't forget to restart your system. And the one more workaround is turn off Windows Defender firewall temporarily and uninstall a Steam app and install a fresh Steam app. So open control panel, go to program and features and select a Steam and install a fresh version of a Steam gaming app on your system.